Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video we're going to explore how to insert smart chips. If you're in a Google Doc and you want to create a link to either a person, a place, a calendar event, or a file, you can do that by inserting what's called a smart chip. So first, let's see what happens when we insert a people chip. If I click on people, I can add my contacts. Now that I've got the contact added, if I click on this, I get their profile pop up. I can see their name, their email address, what their job is, where they are, what their phone number is. I can email them, I can start a chat with them, I can start a video call with them, or I can schedule an event with them. I can open up the detailed view and see much more greater detail about my interactions with this particular contact. And anybody who has access to the document will be able to click on that and maybe add them as a contact as well if they don't already have them added. All right, if we go to Smart Chips again, and we want to click on File to share a file, I can just click on a file that I have, or I can search for it, and then when I hover over that, people will get a link to that file, they'll get a preview, they can open the preview, they can copy the link. If I want to insert a calendar event, I can go to Smart Chips, insert a calendar event. It will give me a list of upcoming events, so let's say I do that. Notice right away it says basically click on tab to insert meeting notes. So if I click the tab button, basically what I can do is I can add this document as the meeting notes to that event. All right, so let's say I attach this as the meeting notes. Now watch what happens when I go to the event. Click on the event, and the link to that document is already attached to that event, so that I have meeting notes already attached to that event. I can see them, people can see the agenda, whatever. Or, let's say I want to add a place. So I can go back into Smart Chips, click on place. Now it says type to search for places. It doesn't actually allow you to click in the box. You literally have to just start typing. So 509 South Main Street, Hebron, Indiana. All right, so Hebron High School, I click on that. It adds the smart chip. I hover over it. I have a link to it. I can open it up in Google Maps. I can copy the link. I can even click on the button to get directions to this location. So this would be something maybe athletic directors might want to include in some of their communications with other schools. Just a really quick and easy way to give them access to the driving directions on how to get to, where they need to be. Maybe it's a baseball field and you don't quite get there by driving into the school driveway. But just very interactive features that you can now add into Google Docs to increase their interactivity with the other Google apps that we have access to. So that is how you can add smart chips into your Google Docs.